Hello students, class 9. Now I am going to explain your next poem, The Snake Trying. This poem, The Snake Trying, has been composed by W. E. Ross, and the poet W. E. Ross has suggested here not to kill the small insects and animals because they also feel or realize the risk danger. They also want to avoid the existence and the communication with human being, touch with human being, because mm, poet indirectly wants to know, tell or explain here that neither other things nor the any poisonous creature is more dangerous than the human being self. Poet is saying that we should not kill the creatures like snake, other weaklings for the selfishness. So poet is here saying whatever start to read the snake trying to escape the pursuing stick with sudden curvings of thin long body. How beautiful and graceful are his shapes. He glides through the water away from the stroke. Oh, let him go over the water into the reeds to hide without hurt, small and green. He is harmless even to children. Along the sand he lay until observed and chased away, and now he vanishes in the ripples among the green slim reeds. W. Ross. So Ross says that the snake trying means yes, Ross is indicating that some person is trying to kill a snake with a stick. But here the snake trying means snake trying to escape means snake is trying to save itself from the pursuing means following a stick means the person who is trying to kill the snake with the help of a stick. That snake is trying to run away from that man, from that stick. Means see, a man is more dangerous than the snake. With sudden curving of thin long body. With sudden curving means snake is in which way trying to escape. With sudden curving means he is running away by curving his body, because you know very well that how snake runs or walks by curving its body. So poet is here saying that the long body of snake is curving suddenly, fastly, for the purpose of escaping, for the purpose of protecting itself from the pursuing stick. Further poet is saying that how beautiful and graceful are his shapes. Means poet is saying that you are busy in killing that snake, but no, first to see how this snake has been created by God. What amazing and attractive creation of God this snake is, because this snake is curving his body graciously. Means his curving motion, his sudden curving motion of the long thin body is seeming graceful, is very attractive. So don't be busy in killing, but try to observe through the open eyes the grace of the nature. He glides through the water away. Glides means slips by dipping into the water. He glides through the water away. Poet is trying to run away by hiding and slipping through the water from the stroke, that is from the hit, from the attack of the stick. For the poet is saying, suggesting here, oh let him go, means poet is suggesting to let go the snake over the water into the reeds to hide. Reeds is the long thin stem uh, shrub of in which rises in the water. So poet is saying that let go the snake over the water into the reeds to hide without a hurt. Means poet is saying that don't kill, don't hurt the snake, but release him, make free the snake to go to hide in the reeds through the water. Small and green, he is harmless. Poet is saying that this snake is of green color, of small size, and it is totally harmless. It means there is no danger with this snake to the other anyone, that is including the children. Even the children has no risk by virtue of this snake. This snake is no cause of danger for the even to children, small children. Then why, how can it be dangerous or risky for the other adult person? Further, poet saying, along the sand he lay until observed. Poet is saying that this green snake will not cause any harm because until observed. Observed means seen, until means up to when. Means poet is saying that up to when this snake is not observed and disturbed, up to then it lays down on the snake by sand by spreading its long body. So there is no until and unless it is not disturbed as causing threat to its life, it will not cause any threat to the life of others and chased away. And now he vanishes. Now poet is saying that on chasing away the snake has vanishes means diminished, गायब हो जाना, विलुप्त हो जाना, invisible. Snake has become invisible in the ripples. Ripples means the waves of the water among the green slim reeds. means snake जो है वह anyhow reeds में जो green हरी घास shrub है उसमें छिपने में सफल हो गया. Now snake has become successful in hiding itself in the reeds through the water. So the snake has become successful in protecting his life. So poet is here in speaking in the favor of animals, that how human being is the danger for these animals, and we the human beings should not kill all these animals, because all these animals does not cause any harm until we disturb them, until we try to kill, we try to cause him. Up to then they do not try to cut or to cause any danger harm to us. When we disturb them then they disturb us. Thank you.